What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James. So today we're going to be doing a final walkthrough for this property right here. Pretty much is a verification of the property condition. We're at the last stage of the property. So house is we did a quick walkthrough already. Everything's all cleaned out. The owner started throwing everything away, all the trash and everything, and the house is pretty much ready for the new owner to move in. So anyways, we're doing this video for our client, and yeah, just to verify the condition of the property before the client close on the house. So exterior looks like they did a really good job of everything already. You can see that the grass, it's already cut and trimmed. Roof, pretty well kept condition and everything. Let's do a walk through real quick. All right, so right when you walk through the house, everything is clean. The left side of the house is clean. They've even deep cleaned the carpet and everything. And then on the right side of the house, everything's all removed and it's clean, right? So let's go ahead and show you guys even the kitchen and the garage, right? So here's the kitchen. Everything is deep clean. They hired a cleaner to deep clean the whole place. They got the ring system, all the paperwork, the applications, the microwave, the oven, and all the appliances. They even have the house plan right there for the owner, just so then they can see it. And then they have the range tiles. They left tiles back. But yeah, everything seems to be super clean. Everything is all removed. So here's the garage, right? Even the garage is well clean and everything too. They left a couple of a vase right there, but it's really moved and ready. There's nothing in any of these, right? So let's turn off the light for that real quick. Show you guys the backyard, and I'll show you guys the living room and the kitchen, and show you guys the bedroom. That looks pretty clean. Here's one of the bedroom. Yeah, I mean, they deep clean everything. Everything looks really good. Moving ready. Carpet is deep clean also as well. You can see the carpet. They vacuum everything. And then here's the bathroom. Yep, so they've cleaned everything in the bathroom also as well. Yep, everything is super deep clean. Turn off some of the lights. Washer and dryer room. Yep, everything is looking really good. They even removed the washer and dryer for the client. So everything's all removed. There's pretty much nothing left for the buyer to kind of review. But yeah, so here's the master walk closet. Okay, so anyways, so guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We help people buy in the Central Valley, Sacramento, the Bay Area, and all that good stuff. So give us a call, send us a text. We'd love to help you guys out. Let's show you guys real quick. I want to show you guys the backyard real quick. All right, so let's show you guys the backyard. So here's the backyard. Everything is super clean, right? Side of the house, really clean. Everything is like move-in ready. And then over here, they cut the grass. The roof looks great. Solar systems, everything is all fine. They have a really nice little patio area right here. The extra unit right here for storage and all that good stuff. And then they have more hanging stuff right over here in the back. It's all cement and everything. So I mean, it's super cool in this area. So, you know, tile flooring. They got some tiles. Plum tree right there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Everything looks good. Everything looks really good. Guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm not sure what else I'm missing, but everything looks really clean. All right, everything looks really clean. Super happy, super impressed. I don't see any like trash or anything. it's yeah, it's move-in ready. All right, guys, James here with the Fam Real Estate Group. This is the final verification of the property condition walk for a client, and yeah, looks great. So everything should be ready to go. We're going to be closing on this house this Friday, which is in the next 2 days. And to my buyer, if you're watching this, congratulations. Anyways, James here with the Fam Real Estate Group, signing out. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.